how are we doing today? So I received a question about how to deal and help someone with breast cancer. We're on the pink month. And resilience, the 6 pillars of resilience are the base for that. The first one is the vision, remember? Vision. What's your vision of help, of support of that sister of yours who's having a breast cancer? What's your vision? How are you going to help her? Are you going to be doing shop grocery? Are you going to be helping her with the kids? Are you going to be going with her to the treatments? Are you going to go? Are you going to have? Do you going to need to take some times off? Do you going to need to delegate some of your stuff so you're going to be more available? You see, the first pillar is very important. How are you going to help her? The second one, which is the composure. Emotionally, you're going to have to be strong because you know that people who go through that might go through different emotions. They might go through anger and take their anger out of you, out at you, even if you have no guilt, but that's the way it is. So how are you going to work on that? You need to have a strong foundation. You need to work on your composure, work on your emotion, make sure that you can manage. Sometimes you're going to have to be vulnerable with that person. Maybe you need to cry with that person. Just listen to her. You know, very often when somebody is going through something very difficult, we have very hard time to know what to say. And sometimes you have nothing to say. You just have to be there fully for that person without being able to give her comfort with words. So you see, composure is important. Reasoning. You're going to have to be reasonable, and you may have to reason for her and maybe even for her family, because everyone's going to go through that storm. It's not just her, the kids, the husband, your mother, your father, the rest of the family. Everyone's going to go through that hurricane, that emotional hurricane. So you need to be able to still use your reasoning. You're going to have to make sure that you have enough sleep, that you eat a proper balanced diet. Health, you remember, that's the fourth pillar. You need to make sure that your health is fine so you can be at your best. Persistence, you're going to need to be persistent. And persistent because the treatment might be more or less long, but it's not just during the treatment, even after. One of the things that talking with someone who went through that was telling me is that you have the attention of so many people, and suddenly when everything is over, everybody kind of disappear and there's that void. So persistent is very important because you're going to need to be there even after. And then the last one, remember, is the support. Who's your support? Who are you going to be able to go and cry and be angry and make sure that yourself, you're going to be okay, so you can be able to give the best to your sister. So the first thing to give support to the other person is make sure that you can do it, meaning by yourself putting all the element that's going to help you go through that with her and her family and your family. I hope all the best and we'll keep in touch. Thank you. Bye.